Hello.
What's this for me?
Hello.
Hello guys. How are you? My name is Rumbi. I am a girl, as you can see. So can you support me right now and tell some of your friends to come visit me and my life? Oh, hello everyone. My name is Rumbi. And can you invite some of your friends to come visit me, watch my live? Please guys, can you support me? Hi everyone. Come support please. Hi everyone. I can see there's a lot of you saying hi to me. Hi. Hello everyone. Oh, thank you. I love you. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Oh, thank you so much for those little hearts. Hello. Oh, Olivia, thank you. Oh, you know my name. Oh, thank you. Thanks for all the support, guys. Come share the live with some of your friends. I'm gonna do something special for you guys. Some of you say that I must start now, but I just want you to invite some of your friends. Hi. Thank you. One of you said that I'm looking good. Thank you so much. Hi. Oh, hi. Beautiful girl. Oh, thank you for all the nice comments. So, I'm about to start. Just a few. I'm just going to introduce myself first. Hello, my name is Rumbi. I'm 10 years old. I'm in grade 5. I love cooking. My teacher is Miss Kateda. I learn at Abby's Prep. I have more like 5 friends. I moved. I live in Masasa. I'm a Zimbabwean. I love cooking, like I said. So now I think that I should start sooner or later, or this live is just gonna end, I think. So I think we should start now. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this simple breakfast if someone's gone out or they're not around or they just went out for a minute. This is the breakfast you can make for yourself. So let's start. By the way, once I'm done making this breakfast for you guys, I'm going to be answering some of the questions you have for me down commenting over there. Super.
9 514 293 49 24.
So I just put my number down if you'd like to call me. But now let's start cooking. And I mentioned that once I'm done cooking, I'm going to answer some of your questions. So I'm going to make an egg with some toasted bread, with some onions and cucumber, with some spices on my egg by the side. Let's cook. So now I want my non-stick pan to heat up. Come, let's cook, guys. Come. Let's cook. If you want to talk to me for anything, you can ask me anything. So now I'm going to add my oil into my pan. So guys, I'm just going to spread my oil around my pan. Then I'm going to wait for my oil to heat up. Whilst it's heating up, I'm going to answer some of the questions you have for me. Now I'm going to let it heat up. Sweetie, ask your mom to read the comments and I write. Mom, they want you to ask the comments and I should answer them. So, Mom, can you please ask some of the comments which are down there? So, guys, let's hear some of the comments you have for me and I will answer them for you. I'll be right back. The oil is almost heated up, and now we are going to add our egg once it's almost done. Come guys, invite some of your friends. I can see that we're only at 257. Come support. And once I'm done with this live, can you please come and check out my channel, Roosty Kitchen RTK. Please subscribe, share, hit that notification button to always stay tuned to my channel. And I think we can add the egg now. We've added our egg. Now I'm going to go put these eggs just in the bin. Guys, please add some comments. Oh, I heard someone say that they're craving for my breakfast deal. Well, let's see where our egg is now. I'm coming. Hello guys, I'm back. And you guys asked what am I cooking? I'm actually making an egg. Then I'm gonna put some spices on top once it's almost ready. And then I'm going to caramelize my onions. Then I'm going to cut my cucumber. And then I'm going to toast my bread in the pan, and then I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. And I'm going to make myself some tea. Let me read some of your comments. Oh, thank you for all the lovely comments. Oh, thank you so much. One of you said that she's so beautiful, elegant, and put some heart an emoji with heart eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support. And now I'm going to add some spices on top. Going to add some salt. And now that it's ready to flip, I'm going to flip it. My egg has been flipped. Now we're going to let it cook at the bottom, then I can get to toasting my bread. Whilst it cooks at the bottom, I am going to answer some of your comments. But remember this, if there are some kids watching my live, remember that when you are cooking in the kitchen, make sure to wash your hands and don't get your hands on the stove whilst it's on. Safety hazard. And this is my egg. Now I'm going to toast my bread. So I'm just going to add just like this. And I'm going to spread it around. So, if there are any questions you'd like to ask me, please comment them down. Oh, thank you, Sasha Sky. You said, wow, nice egg there. I think it came out pretty well. Thank you. Now I'm going to flip my bread. Once I'm done toasting my bread, I'm going to show you how to caramelize onion. Whilst it toasts at the bottom, I'm going to tell you the ingredients you need to caramelize an onion. So you're going to need an onion, of course, some sugar, and some salt. That's all. Let me grab my sugar. Here's my sugar. Okay. Now that it's done, I'm going to lay it down, and now I'm going to cut my onion. Add the sugar and salt. Then I'm going to caramelize them. Let's caramelize them. Don't do this alone if you have a child near. If a child is doing this, don't always play with knives. If you're using a knife, make sure you have parental supervision. I'm actually here with my mom, so I have all the parental supervision I have. Now, you want to add a bit of salt, mix it around before you add the sugar. Then you want to add a tablespoon of sugar, then mix it around. And this is how our caramelized onions turned out. And this is how our caramelized onions turned out. Now I'm going to add them into my pot. Now I'm going to cut my cucumber, add it in my plate, and enjoy my breakfast. Going to add my cucumber and then enjoy my breakfast. cut the top off, then cut the one. I'm going to put the rest in the fridge. I am going to just cut them into small slices, then I can enjoy my breakfast. So now I'm going to sprinkle some salt onto my cucumber, then enjoy my breakfast. Once I'm done cooking over here, I'm going to let you guys ask me any questions you want. If you have any children who would like to ask me any questions, they can ask. If you'd like to ask me any questions about cooking or anything, you can ask me. And this is my breakfast. Now you can ask me any questions you like once I have my breakfast right over here. So if you have any questions you'd like to ask me, please ask. If there's anything you'd like. If there are any questions you'd like to ask me, you can like. Oh, Tamari Ziva, it's okay. I know you said that it's dangerous. Yes, I know it's dangerous to use a knife like that, but that's the way I usually cut my vegetables, my fruits, or anything like that. So don't worry, I'm fine. If there are any more questions you'd like to ask, please ask. I'm not afraid to answer them. You can just call me with my number. It's there. Or if there's anything you'd like to say, you can say them in the comments right now. Or if there is something else you'd like to ask me, please ask. I'm not afraid to answer. Let me see some of the comments we have. Oh, thank you. I heard that somebody said that I know how to speak good English. Thank you so much. Hello?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Well done, my dear. You said you were 10, right?
Yes.
For a 10-year-old, I want to say congratulations. You've done well.
Thank you so much.
So tell me, Rumbi, how many are you in your family?
We are 4 in my family.
Are you the oldest?
No.
What do you like doing besides cooking? Because clearly I see you love cooking.
I like singing and cooking.
Oh, nice. Who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist is... I still don't have a favorite artist. I just love all the music I hear.
Oh, well done. Congratulations. I hope you're going to do another live for us next week. Just so you know, my son enjoyed watching you cook and is 10.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, love.
Thank you. Have a good
Okay,
day
bye.
as well. So one of the people watching my live actually called me. If you guys would like to call me, you can call me as well. I'll answer your calls. If you want, you can just call me right now. My number is there at the bottom. It's 0719514293. That's my number. If you'd like to call me, you can call me. But if you would not like to call me, you can ask me the questions down below on those comments. Once I'm done with this live, you can also check out my channel, Roosty Kitchen RTK as well. Make sure to subscribe, like some of my videos, like my video where I make guacamole, where I make more honey chicken. Thank you so much for all the support. I hope you guys will like my videos on my other channel, Roosty Kitchen, and thank you so much for all the support. If you'd like to call me, you can call me right now. Now let me see if there are any other questions you guys would like to ask me. Well done, baby girl. Oh, thank you so much. Shopping board or play, dear. I understand, but it's easier for me on just doing it like it's just easier for me like that. Let's see some other questions you have. She speaks very well, overstuffed, on confident too. Thank you so much. That's a very wonderful comment. I love you guys. Thank you for all the best comments. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. I'll be back next week. But for now, I'm going to answer most of your comments. Then I'm going to have my breakfast. Please. What is her name? But I already mentioned that my name is Ruby. I must be at the top of the comments. Your name? My name is Ruby actually, not Humi. I'm kind of confused. So I see somebody said, well done, baby girl. Thank you so much. I usually have this for breakfast. This is actually what I have on my daily basis for breakfast. Hi. I see somebody just commented down below, hi. And I'm going to say hi to you back. Hi. Is there any questions you'd like to ask me? Well done, Ruby. Thank you so much. Show us your plate. You'd like to see my plate? This is my plate. I love it. Your Facebook and YouTube page, dear. Okay. Hello?
Hi, Kelly.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
You're doing so well. I don't have any questions, but I just got to say, keep it up. Well done.
Thank you for all your support.
Oh yes, we'll keep on supporting you. If you can also tell us the name of your page so that we follow, we like, we share.
My page is called Roosty Kitchen on YouTube.
Okay, we're gonna follow it. We'll also share the page.
Thank you so much.
Keep it up, girl power. I like. Yeah, well done.
Thank you so much for all the support.
You're welcome, Sissy.
So if you'd like to call me, you can call me. But if you don't have any questions, I think that will be okay. You can just call me. You can talk to me. If you don't have anything to ask, well done, princess. You are going to be a success. Keep pushing. Oh, thank you so much. I'll be right back. I need to go do something. I'm back. So I just put my YouTube page name in the comments down. Now you can know what my channel is called. Now I'm going to read your questions, like some of them or all of them, I think. What cooking in your kitchen, dear? Cooking in my kitchen. Thank you. Down to earth, I don't know her. It's my first time, but I will do whatever it takes to support her. Thank you so much, Nyasha. I see that somebody just subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. It's over here. Thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Down to earth. Oh, I just did regare kwa muri. Yes, I can see that you just subscribed to my channel. You said that you just did. You subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for all the support. I think it's when they are typing to comment. What's the name of the channel? My channel is called Roosty Kitchen. Here is my channel on YouTube, Roosty Kitchen. Here it is, my channel. Can you guys please go and subscribe to my channel? We have so many videos. We've posted pancakes, sweet and sour chicken, guacamole, potato omelette, and yummy crispy chips. Hi, Rumbidai, Chikwana, Cheesy. Again, hi, sweetie. What's your favorite food? My favorite food, it's actually my staple food, saga. I really like salsa. I'm actually having salsa for dinner tonight. If you have any questions to ask me, you can ask Amanda in Zimbabwe. Which school do you attend in Zimbabwe? I go to Greendale. I learn at Abbey's Prep School in Greendale, 108 Avenue, Greendale. That's where I learn in Zimbabwe. As you know, I'm a Zimbabwean. Okay. Now guys, it's time for me to go. I have to eat my breakfast before it gets cold. So thank you so much for all the support. I'll see you next week Saturday. Bye.